Uh-oh.
Big Joe! Cheap travels. Travel on a budget. And hello guys, and welcome to my new video. Today we're gonna be unboxing the stuff I bought from TEMU. It's a popular platform here in Europe to get the goods from China for a low price. No customs and stuff like that. There's an application called TEMU for Android phones, for those who don't know. So yeah, I ordered a couple of stuff. This package arrived today. It costed me about 50 euro for altogether. Shipment was for free. And yeah, stay with me if you want to know what I bought. And yeah, let's get down into it. However, it has a big hole. I hope something didn't drop out. Yeah. Otherwise, we'll complain. They have like a complaint center or something. So yeah, let's unbox it. Yeah. Here we go. Godzilla, Big Joe Godzilla. So okay, first of all, we got the new Crocs. Of course, Chinese version. They are light as a feather, so these are supposed to be size 46 range numbers. Yeah. Oh, a bit harder to open this. How do I open this? How the fuck do I open it? Okay, you just pull it. So let's get the Crocs out. So, oh my god, stuck together with something, yeah. Stuck together with this shit. What if I... Okay. There we go. So, the new Crocs. Fancy looking. But it feels like styrofoam, you know, so it's not really some great quality. But yeah, I used something like this when I was in... Oh, actually they're 47 number, because I have big feet, yeah. I used something like this in the Philippines, so I hope it will be fine. It has this thingy that I never use. It's just decorational, I think. So yeah, this is Croc number 1. Croc number 2. It's a trash now. You never know with these Crocs if they use the same number, so always check. Yeah, it's also 47, so yeah. The Crocs. I don't know, was it 10 euros? Something like that for this piece of shit? Or was it 3 or 4 euros? I'm not sure. Anyway, we'll be testing those. Then I got another ones, because they were really cheap, maybe 1 or 2 euros. Another shoes, like these summer shoes that you wear out in one season, I would say. And this one are black. I think this was the 2 euro shoes, yeah. So, let's check them out. There we go. Okay, some bubble wrapping. That will go to the trash. And yeah, this is the shoe. Alien looking one. These are size 48 to 49. I guess these are Chinese sizes. I'm not even sure if it will fit me, but yeah. So another shoe, like just for taking my dog for a walk, you know. So yeah, another kind of those kind of shoes. So yeah, there's another one. 48 to 49 it says somewhere here. I think basically it's 45, but you know, Chinese, they have their crazy numbers. So yeah. Okay, next, we are not finished. Hey, I spent 50 euros on this stupid stuff, so stay tuned. Another shoe? No. Now this is like a hat. Let me open. So, since in summer we will need hats, I bought a few of them. I think they were like 2 or 3 euros each. Oh, they come with this plastic. So this is the first one. It says, I need beer. And the marker for fuel or beer is on the low side. I'll have to extend this a little bit because it's too small at the moment. How do I do that? Okay, I'll deal with it later, but yeah, you have this strap here so you can adjust it. I have to extend it. My head is a little bit bigger than Chinese head, but yeah. So I need beer cap, 2 or 3 euros. Next one, it's a green cap. Let's see what it says on this one. It's like cottonish, and it says, "Focus, focus, guys. Can you focus? Focus." Focus. So I also have to adjust the strap a little bit because it is a little bit. It's a little bit small, but this one barely fits my head. This one kind of okay. So the focus cap, second one. I'm still not finished with heads. There's one more. I think there should be 2 more. Yeah, 2 more heads. My God, I really got out of hand, my shopping spree. Come on, my shopping spree. So now we have a yellow cat. Not the yellow cat pizza, but yellow cat. So there you go. Some more plastic. Look at the back, how much trash this Chinese make. My God. So yeah, it's like bingo. And he says, noot, 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 nut, nut. Yeah, so another hat. Again, I'll have to put it to the end here. Okay, like this. Oh, this one went nice. Oh, now it's too much. Now we have to adjust it back. Okay, maybe like this. No, it's still too much. This one is easier to adjust. I don't know, it has a different mechanism. Yeah, something like that. A little more less. Yeah, now perfect. This one now perfect. Nut. And the last hat now. I promise it was the last hat. So I spent like 10 bucks on the hats. It's like Bordeaux, radish. It's more for Balkan people here on the Balkans, This hat is, what is the world's worst car, or at least it was back in the day. It was the car produced in ex-Yugoslavia. It was called Yugo. In America, if you bought one car, you would get a free Yugo with it, So yeah, this is the hat that has Yugo and the sign of Yugo on it. So I thought it would be kind of funny. And yeah, this is the last hat. Now I know how this works. First you have to pull this out, and then you can adjust this string. Yeah, and yeah, that's how it works. So the Yugo hat. Yugo. Need a car? Buy Yugo. What's with this? This one has like elastic thingy inside. Next thingy. Yeah, some do-it-yourself for home improvement. This is to clean your how do you call it, drains? Yeah, in the bathroom, from the bathtub, or from the sink, or anywhere. You pump it. You see, you pump it here, and this goes up and down. I don't know. It's supposed to clean the drainage. Yeah. If ever your drain is stuck, so this was also like a euro too. Very useful thingy to have. Yeah. It's big. It's a very big thingy. So yeah, we'll be cleaning the drains with it. And then yeah. See, it's like alien. It goes outside, and then you can take whatever it's cluttered there in the drain. You can take it, and it takes it, and you can pull it out. Yeah, it's like long, like half a meter long, and then you can pick up stuff. Let's try to pick up something. Ah, it's too big. Too big. It works. See, I picked up the scissors. A little bit of toy for me. Yeah. So yeah, that's the next thingy. Hey, we're not done. We still have some t-shirts. And what the fuck is this? Something more. Mysterious item. I think I know. I remember now what I ordered. So, if you're curious, you can till I unpack it, guys. So, this one is another, like, I'm a housewoman now, housemate, yeah. Do you know what this is? Write me down in the comments before I tell you what it is. So, this is, you sharpen your knives here, yeah. If you need cutting something, this is like a sharpening stone for the knife, so you just go like this with the knife, and then it's sharp as hell for your steaks, guys. So yeah, I think it was €1, €2. So and then you can buy only the stone. This is just like you know, somewhere to put it and to do it. Yeah. So yeah, another thingy. I told you I bought only like crazy useless stuff here. I don't know. I'm crazy. Let's go on. This is a t-shirt. It's supposed to be 3XL. I don't think it will fit me because, let's face it, I think it's Chinese sizes. So if I don't lose some weight, I don't think I'll be wearing this shirt. But yeah, it's nice green shirt. What does it have on the top? It has the line, man, La Linea. This was a popular cartoon from my youth. I think it's Italian or something, where there's this drone guy that works on the line, and yeah, things happen to him. Anyway, I think it's a bit small, but yeah, we'll check it out. So yeah, there we go, La Linea t-shirt. There's another, another cap. My god, I really got overboard with the cap. I think it was about €2 once. So this one is like, another Pingu guy saying nut nut or nut nut. So this is the orange one now. So now I have like all kinds of different colors of hats. I mean, for the rest of my life. So yeah, nut. I think this is also from that movie. I mean, cartoon. I didn't really like this cartoon, but yeah, it looks stupid enough for me to wear, you know. So yeah, another hat. Yeah, like that. And finally, not finally, there are two more. Another t-shirt, I guess. How do I open it? There, this one. Okay. Another t-shirt I got. And so much of this. So this is a t-shirt that looks like this. Bordeaux red. And it has like a white star on it. And then yeah, barely, I don't know if it will fit me. It's 3XL, the largest they had. So I think about €7, something like that. Maybe €5 to €7. Maybe it will be a little bit small, but okay. And I think there's one more t-shirt left. And yeah, no, something else. And yeah, that's it. So let's go with the t-shirt first. Another, like, also a little bit more dark red t-shirt. Let me open it. So there we go. Can you see it? Yeah. It has some from egg to dinner, the path of the chicken, the life cycle of a chicken. So I like this one. I think it's a little bit bigger than the others. Let me check. It's just XX, 3XL as well, yeah, but it says XXXL, 100% cotton, made in China, of course. But this one is bigger, I think. This one might just fit me, I think. So I like this one. The other ones were smaller, so if this one fits me, I might get more of these ones, yeah. It also feels nicer on the touch than the other ones. And for the last one, it's a charging cable for my phone. This one is a little bit bigger, I mean longer. I think it's 2 meters, because they really put you like small charging cables, you know, the original ones. And this one, this is trash. Essager or something like that. So USB-C with the red finger and USB Let me see. Yeah, it's about 2 meters long cable, like this, even longer. See, it's very long. I just have to untie it here. Oh, come on, come on, come on, Sava, come see, come see, come see, come see. It's really, really long, like more than my hands, you know. It's like 2 meters long or 3 meters long. So when I'm playing on my phone or something, I can charge it down, and you know, it's really long to be charging my phone. This is maybe the most useful item I have bought. And I think that's when I started shopping, yeah. And you see what all the other crap I bought with it. So yeah, for this cable, 50 euros basically. Other crap, yeah. So that's how TEMU gets, you know, TEMU. And yeah, this has been today's video on my shopping online in these applications. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to press like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one when we'll be traveling somewhere. So yeah, cable and all of that stuff, but on an impulse. Yeah, take care, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you in the next one, guys.